The exhaust finally came. It's right here. That's what it looks like on the outside, or on the inside, not the outside. I'm fucking stupid. Okay, this looks like, okay, this is the actual exhaust slip-on. That's the pipe. AU type approval certificate. Okay, so this is the paper that I am assuming you're supposed to show that this thing is actually approved. So I actually have to go and wash off the bike first because this thing is fucking nasty, dude. So I'm gonna start by taking off the plastic right here, and then work my way down and see how to get this thing off. And I'm actually gonna be turning this thing on without the exhaust and see what it sounds like just with the pipe. So I'm kind of excited to see what this bad boy sounds like without any of that. Bro, the exhaust is so fucking hot. I fucking burnt myself, dude. It should be a little bit better. So I removed the header bolts, unscrewed that. The only two bolts that are holding the entire exhaust is the one underneath, or like behind this brake pedal. Okay, good news. We got the exhaust off. Look at this. Bro, look at this ugly ass fucking box. What the fuck is this, man? And now we just gotta put on the new one. I ran into a problem. So these things go on top of the headers on the on top of the bike, whatever, and they go up like essentially like this. But if there was nothing holding them, so they just fall off. And you gotta like grease them up and put them in there to so like they wouldn't fall out. But we don't really have any grease that is kind of specifically made for this, so well, that's not gonna work. Finally, it's on. The exhaust is on and good to go. Those rings, that was literally the hardest part because we didn't have like any proper grease that was like meant for that type of stuff, so we kind of struggled getting it on there, but with a little bit of my brother's help we got it up there. But we should be good. There is enough space and it doesn't move, so it won't scratch it or anything. But I don't know if like the heat is going to fuck anything up. I hope not. I don't think it will, but you never know, man. Now I just gotta put back on the plastics and go for a ride, dude. Oh yeah, I am loving this. Sound check for the boy. Bro. Dude.
Bro, I thought this bike already had an insane fucking sound and everything, bro. It sounds even better now. Holy fuck, man. Dude, this bike just keeps fucking amazing me, dude. Oh. Dude. Dude. Oh my god. Bro.